may stream din ako. Perfect! Bakit may nag-online dito? Hindi naman niyayaya. Sige na nga. Parang gusto ng skin kasi birthday kahapon. Anong gustong skin ng birthday boy kahapon? Pag nag-comment, may skin. Pero pag hindi nag-comment, hindi ibibigay ang skin. So, anong gustong skin ng birthday boy? So, walang nagko-comment. So, paano ba yan? Hindi rin nag-accept. Ay, sumali! Sumali! Yung mga gusto ng skin dyan, ng Starlight, i-comment nyo lang yung mga MLID ninyo. At sumali kayo sa akin. Kapag binigyan nyo ako ng isang magandang laban, kahit na anong skin, ang tagal naman mag-online. Sino may mga birthday this month? Mamigay na ba ako ng skin? Sige na nga. Kasi birthday niya ngayon. Kahapon pala. Ay, wala na yung... O, yung may mga nag-birthday dyan kahapon. Mag-request ng skin sa akin ngayon. Mag-request na ng skin yung mga may birthday. Request na para i-accept ko na lang. Habang nasa mood pa ako kasi mamaya wala na. Uy, salamat sa mga nagsisend ng gifts, guys. Kahit walang gifts, manood lang kayo, masaya na ako. Pero syempre, mas masaya pag nag-subscribe kayo. Walang nagre-request. Edi don't! Don't. Wait lang, unahin ko lang yung skin bago Starlight. Kaso pag hindi sumali, walang skin, ha? Di makasali, mythic honor na ako. Wait ka lang, malapit na ako. Kanina naglaro ako. Nag-solo play ako. Guys, hindi ko makakalimutan yung tatlo kong kaampe, 06, 07, at saka 09. Parang, hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko eh. Hindi mo na. Ano yun? Oh, walang Russell, sure ka na ba? Hindi ka magre-request ng skin ngayon. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, may timer tong mood ko. Mamaya wala na to. Ang daming nagpa-follow sa akin sa TikTok. Ang daming nanonood sa TikTok. Baka sa kanila na mapunta. Skin muna. I-request mo na yung skin na gusto mo. 2 minutes lang, ha. Pag hindi mo na-request yung skin na gusto mo, ibibigay ko sa iba, ha. 5. Pag hindi nag-request, ibibigay ko sa 250 na nanonood ngayon. 4. 3. Di ka ba magre-request ng skin? Uy, sino tong Kapitan Tutan? Oh, isa na lang. Mukhang, ano bang sunod ng epic? Bakit puro si Russell na lang? Oh, sorry naman, Kuya Reynante. In-invite na kita. Invited o invited. Sino ba itong mga sandami? Russell! Ikaw ba nag-i-invite? Diyos mio. Cause of delay. Accept na ba? Nag-send ba ng skin? Nag-request ka ba ng skin, Russell? Sabihin mo! Sabihin mo! Sabihin mo! Sabihin mo, ML! Ibig sabihin nun, ibibigay ko yung skin sa mga viewers ngayon. Dali, kahit saan yan. Kahit sa Blue App, sa TikTok mo i-comment. Make! Maraming salamat sa... Thank you for the rose. Hindi ko kaya, guys. Pasensyaan nyo na. Gusto nyo bang mairito sa akin? Labo talaga. Hindi talaga ako nasasayahan. Match pound! Ayaw ko mga request. Ito, 901-4705. You just lang. Wala nang iba. Ay, may respeto. Walang kumuha ng gold lane. Kuya Dave, sorry naman. Huwag ka namang magtampo.
Please ban a hero.
Ay, di mo na binaban pag mythic glory. Sakto yan pag binan si Layla, si Mia, si Hanabi, si Ritel, si Kari. Wala na akong ano. Oy, sino ibaban ko? Wala daw, o ban ako S.
Your team is banning.
Wala na akong binan. Malalakas yan. Inform na yan na gold lane ka. Ay, yan ang gusto ko. Ay, sino yung nagbigay sa akin ng 2-5 hearts? Sino yung patuloy na nag-heart-heart dyan? Top heart ko, may starlight sa akin after ng live.
The enemy is picking.
Yung pumupuso ah. Na lang. Para ako.
Mighty oaks from little
Please pick a hero.
acorns grow.
Sino gusto niyo? Gold lane. So, sana mag-Layla. Tingnan niyo naman yung Layla ko. 711 matches. Pero ayoko. Ako sa comfort zone.
My arrow flies towards hope.
Sige. Para sa'yo itong game na to, Hans.
I do what I
enemy
want
is
to
Ka na
do.
naman tagal mong hindi nag-live. Alam nyo ba kung bakit 10 days akong hindi... 10 days ba? Mga ganon.
Hanabi, Sanjo.
Nagkukwento ako sa inyo. Alam nyo ba kung bakit 10 days ako
Hope will
hindi
find a
nakapag-live?
way,
Kasi guys,
even when
may
all is
nangyari.
forlorn.
Sobra
Only
talaga yung
love
nangyari.
and
Parang
light
hindi ko
resists
nakakayanin
our
yung nangyari.
everlasting.
The enemy is
Ikukwento
not
ko yung
even
nangyari
by
pag nag
enemies.
1,000 viewers tayo. Scam, no? Kaya may nangyari talaga,
Upon the
guys.
edge of the void.
Hindi pa bang malaman? Huwag na. Miss ka na. Miss na namin sila, Turborat. Uy, Kuya Jason, mag-ML na lang tayo. Malapit na ako mag-mythic. Kalmahan niyo yung mga... Malapit na ako mag-mythic.
Those dead people knew
Diba
what would
pagkatapos
happen
ng
if you
epic
get on
mythic
my
na,
nerves.
tapos mythic honor, wala na bang mythical glory ngayon? Nung huling naglaro kasi ako, mythical glory lang yung kinaya ko. May nangyari kasi, guys. Talagang hindi ko kinaya, kaya hindi ako nakapag-live ng 10 days. May legend pa bago mag-mythic. Pagkatapos mag-epic legend pa. Bakit sinearch ko sa Google? Pagkatapos daw ng epic legend, ano na? Mythic na. Sabi dito, bakit wala kang dede? O talaga ba? Meron yan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Kaso moody siya.
5 seconds till the enemy
sa
reaches
mood.
the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Isang batas may lolang. May
The
panglolang.
melody is my calling.
Nakakagaling to guys. Tapos may milk tea sa Gedli. Alam nyo na, kalakasan ko. Oh, si Frankie oh. Oh,
Can't fight the beat.
ang punat naman nito!
Can't fight the beat.
Attack!
Wala pa kasi akong second eh. Para sana hindi na nakayan. Oh. Sige, tumesting kayo. Ngayon kayo tumesting.
Can't fight the beat.
Ito may kutob akong mananakaw ni Mia. Oh. Baka sa sobrang galing ng mga kakampi ko, 5 minutes lang tong laban na to.
Get
Huwag
into
naman
the
kayong
rhythm.
gumaganyan. Kita nyo yun guys, nahuling alikabok na. Testing lang yun.
First blood!
Gumagana na pala yung second skill ko. Hi, Abby! Hello, Abby!
Eudora's
Hi, Kuya
called me
J.
back
Reyes.
to
Hi,
Harmonia.
Cyril. Hi, Jason. Mamaya na ako
Supernova,
mag-chika-chika.
let's play for all of Harmonia.
Grabe, welcome. Hi, Mega! Ay, sorry.
Request backup!
Next side.
Understood.
Thank you, Megan! Sa roses! I love you! Mua, chup, chup. ID. 9014705. Wait na, mamaya ko ilalagay pag natalo na kami. Ay, charot, pag nanalo na kami.
Gather up the turtle.
Ito ako napanood para daw dumami yung
My
viewers.
arrows won't
Dapat
stop
very
until the soul light dissipates.
very mindful. Very cutesy. Kasi hindi ko kaya, guys. Kapag nag-ML talaga ako, wala. Very bobo.
Can't fight the beat.
Very feeder.
Enemy has been slain! Ally has been slain!
Very tumatangke kahit MM.
Request
Kasi
backup!
nakakapikon minsan yung mga tank ayaw pumasok. Eh di ako na
Can't
lang.
fight the beat.
Walang mabubuo pag wala kang pinasok.
Are my memories
Ikaw.
real?
Hi, my friend! Do you wanna play?
Can't fight the
Oh
beat.
no! Oh no! Ah!
The enemy!
Your data has been
The
wiped.
enemy has slain the turtle!
Very demure. Hindi ko talaga kaya guys
You're
yung
out of
very
tune.
demure. Ako papasok. Wag
Gotta
hindi ka naman
regroup for the
kasali.
All-Star
Dapat lang yung
celebration.
pumapasok. Very cutesy. Very mindful. Lalaban hanggang dulo. Ngayon alam nyo na kung bakit nag-top 1 global Layla ko. Noong pandemic yon. Anong araw ngayon? Wala bang school?
Let's take it up an octave.
Suspended pa rin ba mga school? Mado kasi kamay ko eh,
I'll sing a
nakakaisip.
song of this.
Kung hindi ka pa sumado, tapos na laban, kanina pa.
Slain!
Sumado na, tapos nababaklas pa yung takot ng cellphone ko.
Each arrow is a note of my symphony.
Ally has been slain!
Ay!
To the beat.
Sige, takas. Tumakas ka na!
Oh,
Kaasar, ako yung pinain. Ako yung MM, pero ako yung ginawang pain. Galing. Ingay mo.
Our
Hindi ka
turret
na
has
lang
been
maglaro.
destroyed.
Ba't ka nagagalit?
my song isn't over.
Akala ko ako na yung pinaka-irritable. May mas malala pa pala sa akin. O, sa'yo na.
Request backup!
Understood.
Sige, Kuya Dave.
Enemy unstoppable!
Kaya ko na kaya to. Magaling nga yung mga kakampi. Putang ina. Mas magaling yung mga kalaban. Nakakabuisit. Solo ko, nakaka-kills ako ng 20.
Soul Blight corrupts the city like a cloud over the sun.
An ally has been slain.
Let's jam. Can't fight the peace.
You have been slain.
Hindi ko siya kaya, my friend!
Gather at the turtle. Understood.
Grabe yung mga comment. Parang malapit na ako
The
mapikon.
enemy has slain the turtle. Backup.
Made a new
Hindi,
playlist.
Hindi. Ano na ako. Kinalma ko na yung sarili ko. Sabi ko, kahit anong comment sa akin, hindi ako mapipikon. Walang makakapikon sa akin. Pag ako napikon,
Our turret is under
ang
attack.
makakapikon sa akin may 1K. Tapos may skin
Crush the
pa.
tempo.
Kaya hindi talaga ako
Been
mapikon.
destroyed.
Kahit anong gawin mo. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ko pinindot yun. Mayaman.
To the beat.
Ah! Wow, guys, ang galing.
Request backup.
Tapo na Mia mo cancel. Wait ka lang. Kaya nga nauso yung salitang comeback, di ba?
My song isn't over.
Parang hindi mo naman alam yung comeback, Lods. Pag ganyan. Comeback, durog na durog ka na. Pero nasa yung huling halakak.
Sometimes I don't know if I'm in Harmonia or a dream.
Unstoppable.
Wala na yung mga picture ko sa ML. Bawal daw hubadera. Binura ni ML, guys. Yan nyo na. Papalitan ko na lang. Meron na akong mga picture na hindi hubadera ngayon. Ay!
Music to my ears.
Gago! Ang sakit naman nun! Ayoko na! Ang gagaling ng kakampi! Ang gagaling din ng kalaban!
Our turret has been
Alam ko
destroyed.
na para hindi ako mapikon. Kasi nainis na ako talaga. Parang nakaka-offend na.
Need a new playlist.
Request backup. Request backup.
Understood.
Tahimik nga muna ako. Tahimik muna. Huwag mo nang magsalita. Mag-focus muna. 1,000% focus. 1,000.
Enemy dominating. An ally has
Pumasok na bilog.
slain. Killing spree. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Ah!
Triple kill.
Can't hear the music.
Uy, pero in fairness, nakapatay ako ng isa, guys. Ito build,
Our
corrosion.
turret has been destroyed.
Burst. Abe!
Our turret is under attack.
Ate, wag mo ko mute. Wala akong minumute. Di nga ako marunong
My
mag-mute
song
dito sa
isn't
TikTok
over.
eh. Okay lang yan, kahit ganyan kayo. Alam ko namang... Ganyan talaga kayo. Bala kayo, kayo yun eh. Kaya ko na ba to? Sino bang kaya ko dito?
Sometimes music is
Mahimik nga muna
chaotic.
kayo.
If we work
Nadidistract
together,
kasi
the
ako.
chords will resolve.
Bago finish lang ako, namatay na ako. Finish ako ni ano? Ni sino ba
An
yun?
enemy has been slain.
Inuulan ba yun? Sino yung nanggis sa akin? Worst jungle
Ally
eh.
has
Worst
inhibitor
pa nga
turret
ba?
is under attack. Mega kill.
Need a new playlist. I know.
Hindi,
Turret is
practice lang
under
to guys.
attack.
Warm up ba?
Ally has been shut down. Enemy legendary.
Warm up lang to, warm up.
Let the power of
Ah, wala
music
kasi akong
heal
finger
this
sleeves.
world.
Disadvantage yun. Dumudulas yung ano, yung daliri ko basa. Bibili na ako mamaya ng finger sleeves.
Our turret is under
Eudora
attack.
is right.
Music's been destroyed.
Absolutely need a remedy. Let's
Our
see how it
turret has been
plays.
destroyed.
Pag ganito kagagaling, dapat hindi ako mag-destroy.
A whistling arrow's like music to my ears.
Lala kayo. Dito na lang ako.
The enemy has slain Lord.
My arrows will pierce windows of new dimensions.
Talaga! Wala na ako nag-push.
An enemy has been slain.
Yan! O yan! Yan! Makatulong yan sa'yo! Nice! 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 Nice one! May tulong ako doon. May tulong ako doon. Pwede na yun. Ano, nag-umpisa na. Ito na.
Supernova,
Guys.
let's play for all of Harmonia.
Pag ganito yung galawan ko, naalala ko.
My arrows won't stop.
Patayin ko yung mga nabi. Hoy, yung Lord, intindihin
Can't
niyo yung
fight
Lord!
the beat. Let's take it up an octave.
Yan o, yung golden hair. Ah! Sabi ko sa inyo guys, 10 minutes lang yun. 11 minutes, partida.
You're out of tune.
Under attack.
Ay, nilipat kita sa studio kanina nung ayaw na mo. Baka hindi ko nabalik.
Eudora, Rafaela, Supernova will be reunited.
Kaya pa yan. Oh, kaya pa yan. Lalo na yung tore nila, kaya pa hanggang next game.
Ever heard a guitar riff on a bow? Didn't think so. Sometimes music is chaotic. If we work together, the chords will resolve.
Ando sila oh! Ala, kawawa naman yung isa. I love my friend. See you next life.
Enemy legendary.
Ayun na namin ikaw kakayanin tulungan pa.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I'll squeeze a song out of this.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Ay, natalo na. Hindi ako makasegue, guys. Sagad na sagad kami. Parang ako dapat bantay dito eh. Pero gusto ko nga sumegway. Sige, mag-segue ako dito sa bot. Tago-tago lang ako sa bush. Ano, Russell, doon ka na sa kabilang mundo. Kasi kapag dalawa tayo dito, maramdaman pa nila ako dito eh.
It's taken time
Enemy
to get
has
used to
slain
this.
Lord.
You're falling flat.
Ang hirap mag-segue, guys. Parang segue ko, punta ko nito next game na. Joke, joke, joke. Ah.
Request backup.
Crush the tempo.
Ah! Bakit ako lumalapit? Kung sana namang daliri dito sa cellphone.
My home is Harmonia, where neon lights and fresh music light the way.
Base is under attack.
Can't fight the beat.
Wala na, patay na sa next one.
Double kill.
Warm up lang yun.
Defeat.
Ayun naman. Isang win lang, may star racing na ako. Ako nakakunik. Sa 5G. sabi connected without internet. Kung naka-data ako. Naka-net ako. Naka-connect na. Walang isa. Kalabuan naman tong live. Walang isa. Sino sali? Regal. Isa pa. Saan ko pa kayong Mia. Bawi ako. Hoy, yung isang mong kaibigan, narasa ng taas ng ping. Ayaw. Mataas yung ping ng isa. Yung tangining. One game lang. Hindi ako one game. Mga 5 games. Taas yung isa. Taas yung ping. Sorry lang. Mataas talaga yung ping. Feeling ko ma-high blood ako. Hi Jun Mark. Hi Hans Jarau. Hi Kyle. Hi Kuya Mark. Hi Kuya Gary. Hello. Hello Kiro. Hi Riley. Hi Nash. Hi Vin Gaming. Hello Koy. Hello Shan Sharagudo. Hi Kenneth. Hi Criselda. Hi Chin. Hi Kyle. Hi Zane. Hi Zulong. Mark. Kyle. Adam. MJVB. Hello. 34. Ba't matagal yung matching? Ay, hindi pa pala nag-start ang game. Wala nga pala akong binibit line. Anong gusto niyo? MOA. Mia o Layla? Mia tayo o Layla?
Please ban a hero.
Sino iban ko? Ban ko Alpha. Ito favorite ni Russell.
team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Hi, Ophelia. Hi, Tutski. Hi, Kuya JR. Hi, Kuya Ruben. Hello. Long time no see, guys. Mia tayo ulit. O, sige. Pwede bawian ko yung Mia ko, ha. Pabawi sa Mia, guys. Napakaalat talaga ng Mia ko kanina, eh. Hindi man lang ako
vengeance
Please pick a hero.
Hanggat hindi na nanalo,
It is
hindi
better
ano,
to be feared
hindi
than
magpapaya.
loved.
The enemy is
If you
poking.
cannot both.
Hi, Jericho! Hello, Marikit! Hi, Ezipin! Maraming salamat sa mga roses ninyo. Kaya talaga nagsusupporter budget sa akin dito sa TikTok.
Love and hope are the two greatest inventions.
Yung ano, yung star button. May star dyan, di ba?
Gaze
Demons,
upon the
I
edge
shall
of
be
the
your
void.
eternal
Ako
nightmare.
mag-subscribe sa sarili ko muna.
Only love and night are everlasting.
Ayan o, yung star dito, bago yung comment dito sa gilid.
Mission completed.
So, bago yung comment,
enemy
katabi
is
ng
picking.
comment sa kaliwa. Subscribe. Subscribe.
I do what I
Ay,
want to
bakit
do.
request params error? Kaya pala
Team is
wala
picking.
nagsasubscribe kasi hindi ka makasubscribe.
Those dead
Error.
people knew what would happen if you get on my nerves.
Action not available in your particular region. Ano sabi nito? Game. Okay. Totoo na guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Yan.
All
Yan.
troops
Talaga
deployed.
yan.
The music of my bow will cleanse their hearts. I know I can count on my friends.
Let's go.
Are my memories real?
Hey, hey, hey,
Or
let's
just
go.
AI projections? All I know is that I belong here.
Lang yan, Angela lang yan. Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Talaga ba, Bessie? Sayang B, wala akong ano.
You're out of tune.
Sayang siya mga B, wala pa tayong flash. Pero okay lang yan. At makauwi din yan siya. Thank you for the dalaw.
Sometimes I don't know if I'm in harmony or a dream.
Hindi na magpapaapi. Sinasabi ko, babangon ako ng inapi kanina. Samahan nyo na.
You're falling
Pwede din sa
flat.
padera. Pag nauntog ka niya, stun ka din. Na, waka,
Can't fight the beat.
na. Uy!
Music to my
Uy!
ears.
Ako na naman! Kakairita!
Your playlist.
Enemy double kill!
Sometimes
Hindi
music
ako
is
makakabawi.
chaotic. If we
Naglaro
work
na lang
together,
yata ako
the
para
chords
mag-ubos
will
ng star.
resolve.
Ubus na talaga. Ayos nga tayo po. Excuse me.
A whistling
Tagu-taguan.
arrow's like music to my ears.
Ako baka dyan sa kabilang bush dito. Dapat
the ally has been
O, diba? Hindi si Edward Cullen.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Whether you're human or AI, let's band together for harmony. Eudora, Rafaela, Supernova will be reunited.
Focus lang talaga. Ayan na, malamang may sisilip dito.
Request
I'm
backup.
coming!
Crush the tempo.
Has been slain. Ally has been slain. Unstable network.
To the beat. Off the stage.
Hoy!
Slain.
Paano ako lalakas? Ikaw na lang maging MP.
I'll squeeze a song at this.
Kita nyo ha. Kitang-kita nyo yun. Hindi muna ako magsasalita.
My
Mas
arrows will
magaling
pierce
ako pag
windows
nakasatap
of new
tayo.
dimensions. Can't fight the beat. Get into the rhythm.
Basa talaga yung kamay ko ng lotion.
Ever heard a guitar riff on a bow?
Saan ba ako makakabili
Didn't think
ng
so.
ano, ng fingertips today? Kung hindi na ako maghihintay ng ibang araw pag in-order ko sa Shopee.
Rampage. Enemy double kill. Launch attack.
Push ko na to. Okay.
Team destroyed.
Okay. Push na tayo.
It's all just one big melody, isn't it? Let the power of music heal this world.
Friend! Bakit mo ako ginaganyan? Uy! Napatay ko yun. It takes 3. It takes 3 to kill me. Hindi naka-charge yung cellphone ko. Naka-connect siya sa computer para makita nyo yung ML
Our
ko.
turret has been
Hindi ko
destroyed.
naka-charge.
An enemy has
My
been
song
slain.
isn't over.
An ally has
Capture
been
card
slain.
po yan. Capture card.
Our turret is under attack.
Thank you sa chocolate. Ahaba. Maraming salamat.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Eudora's right. Music can absolutely be the remedy.
An ally has been slain.
Let's see how it plays.
Hindi pa ako makakapush hanggang dun. Ako yung mawawala sa mapa nang wala sa oras.
Can't fight the beat. To the beat. Can't fight the beat.
ba? Okay na ba kayo sa nakita nyo? Matay lang. Eh, siyempre, pagod na. Pagod na Mia nyo. Okay na ba? Sana all manyak. Ay, manyak talaga ako. Kung hindi nyo na itatanong.
Need a new playlist.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Call me master. Pero, tsamba lang yun.
Soul Blight corrupts the city like a cloud over the sun.
Tsamba kayo kung... Wala pa akong inspire.
Your team destroyed the turret. Our turret is under attack.
Aba! Gumugos to sa
Our
Edward ko.
turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
My arrows won't stop
Abot.
until the Soul Blight disappears. Can't fight the beat. Crush the tempo.
Ano?
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Supernova,
Our turret
let's
has been
play
destroyed.
for all of Harmonia.
Request backup. Okay. Our turret is under attack.
Oh, may dilong! Dadalhin ako sa
Let's take it
Cambodia.
up an octave.
Yan, napawisan na naman yung kamay ko.
It's taken time to get used to this form. Soul Blight corrupts the city like a cloud over the sun. Crush the tempo.
You have slain an enemy.
Pakitawag lang yung pangalan ko pag kailangan nyo ng tulong ko. Emmy.
Gather at the Lord.
Lord! Ah! Sino nakapatay ng Lord?
For evil in this world.
Oh, buti
An
tayo.
enemy has been slain.
Kainis. Salamat sa
Your
nabibigay
team
ng mga
destroyed the
gifts,
turret.
guys! I love you all! Wait lang, Kuya Dave!
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy rampage.
My song isn't over.
Amir, I'm coming to town.
Can't fight the beat.
Wala. Invisible.
It's taken time to get used to this form.
An enemy turret is under attack.
Off the stage.
Apa?
Destroy the turret.
Nice!
Can't fight the beat.
Has been slain. Ally has been slain. Enemy, you destroy the turret.
The music. Can't fight.
Hoy, okay lang. Nabutas ko na itong tawag. Good trade. Good. Okay na yun. Di na masama.
Killing spree.
Push the button.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Need a new playlist. My arrows
An
won't
enemy
stop
has
until
been
the soul
slain.
blade disappears.
Rampage. Enemy
Guys, please huwag kayo magpaubos.
enemy double kill.
Let's jam. Can't fight the beat.
Oh my gosh. Ano na. Sayang yung Winchan ko. Sayang Winchan! May mid.
Request backup. Okay.
Ever heard a guitar riff on a
Turret
phone?
is under attack.
Didn't think so. Gather at the Lord!
Ang pakahirap naman ang laban na to.
Let the
Ang
power
laban na
of
to
you
ng
slay
laban na
you
ng
this
dignidad
world.
to. Guys, ML lang ah. Hindi kasama pagkatao dito ah.
Sometimes music is chaotic. If we work together, the
Wait,
chords
wait.
will resound.
Down. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Yan, pitas-pitas. Halagang pasukin ko 5. Sige, wait. Timing lang ako, pasukin ko 5. Yan namang mangyayari kapag nagtatakutan eh, di ba? O, nasa bot na
You
si
don't
Edward
like-
Cullen.
Music can absolutely be the remedy.
Turret is under attack.
Ako pa talaga! Ako pa talaga!
You have slain an enemy.
Ako pa talaga! Nawawala na yung very demure ko sa inyo eh. Ay, putang ina, bakit? Ayan yung tinira! Bakit yung taong bato yung tinira ko?
Ally has been slain.
Bakit yung taong bato? Hindi naman kailangan yun.
Your team destroyed a
Ika na lang, nice one!
slain.
Nice one, nice one. Ako ba mag-suicide na lang ako dito o mag-ano? Sige na nga, uwi na ako.
I know I can count on my friends.
Okay
Eudora's
na tong
called
game
me
na to,
back
huwag na ako
to
tutuloy.
Harmonia. Eudora's called me back.
Kanina, 90 na lang yung viewers. Sila, 300, pag 250 na naman kayo. Kung gusto nyo nakikita, nahihirapan ako, no? Hindi nakakaya ng utak ko yung ganitong
My
laban.
home is
guys, eh.
Harmonia, where neon lights and fresh new
May
beats
isang oras na
light
ba?
the way.
Hindi ba? Oh my God! 14 minutes pa lang tong laban na to! Parang feeling ko 2 hours.
Whether you're human or AI, let's band together for Harmonia.
I'm so scared.
Launch attack.
Ito lang talaga ako sa likod, guys.
My arrows will pierce windows into new dimensions.
Ba't walang napitas? Datin ba yung may ano, nangungurot?
Ally has been slain. Ally has been
Can't fight the beat.
Ano? Ah! Guys, naka-double kill ako!
kill.
Ay, shit.
The music. Enemy double kill.
Patay tayong lahat. Napagod na yung my birthday. Happy birthday, Boss Pet! Wait lang guys eh! Naglalaro pa ako. Kalmahan nyo lang, guys. Push, patay na kami lahat. Hi, Hawkeye Gaming and Vlog. Salamat sa pagdalo sa stream ko. Wala na,
Our inhibitor turret is
Sige,
under
kaya
attack.
palitan ko yan.
Our turret has been
Sabay-sabay pala
destroyed.
mabuhay.
Our base
Go! Shit! Talo na!
Defeat.
Uy! Protection. Guys, palit ako mga kakampi. Hindi magaling, charot. Sabi, bida-bida daw yung tank. O nga eh. Hindi, ang galing nga. Kayo talaga. Uy! Ano to? Naging sa akin ng Starlight? Ako ginipa ng Starlight? Where are you going? Russell, sino pa sasali? Wala, iniwan ako. Si Kapitan Tuta na lang naiwan sa akin. Parang Russell, ang friend ko lang. Pwede na! Pwede ba kayong mag-ano? Pwede ba kayong mag-request to join? Request to join kayo. Yang, gara nyo naman! Iniwan ako ng lahat! Guys, request to join kayo. Pwede kayong mag-request to join. O kailangan ko kayong i-add. Pwede sumali 4. Kailangan ko guys 4 basta gold lane ako. Ubus tar ko sa'yo kasi. Request to join! Di ba pwede? Naman pala pwede. Ito ID ko guys oh. 90143-705. Gabriel, maraming salamat sa gift. Hindi kayo Hi! Odilon! Thank you so much for the 10 stars. Salamat pa, Momo Chup Chup. Thank you so much. Request to join! La. Gawa na lang kaya ako ng squad. Tasali kayo. Sir Odilon, thank you again for the 10 stars. Baka naman madagdagan pa yan ng 2-0. Charot. Gawa kaya ako nito. Hala, thank you po for another 80 stars. Dami ko stars guys. Panis. Panis, paano ko ba kayo ma-invite? Wait lang guys. Kailangan i-accept. O sige. Game. Add ulit. Add. Thank you pa for another 100 stars! Yay! Accept, invite ulit guys. Sorry na. Add ulit. Send request again.
How the world sees me is of little consequence. Thousands of wishes form thousands of butterflies, and they all blend into my lantern light.
Ano ba yun? Ako makita yung mga nag-add sa akin, guys. Ano ba yun? Ito yun, guys. Oy, nakita ko to. Hala, grabe si Sir Odil na nagpapaula ng 100 stars. Thank you. Sino dito? Anong mga IGN nyo? Ito si Seyo. O, follow. Sino pa? Ano IGN nyo, guys? Dito ako mag-follow back. Ano si Hawkeye? Wala siya. Wala, nasa na yung may birthday kanina. Wala, oh. Hindi kayo nag-add. Ito si Leia. GM, pwede pa ba GM? Hindi siya makasali pag GM. Si manager. Nakita ko yata yun kanina. So, ano ba yan? Mga mythical honor naman kayo. Kahirapan nyo na naman yung buhay ko. Ano pa? Ito si Kush. O, isa pa. Isa pa, guys. Sino? Ayan, si Leia. O, game. Request to join na yung 4. Request to join. Si manager na lang at saka si Leia yung wala pa. Yun lang, ayaw. O, nasa na yung Leia? Laging in pa lang. Okay. Hintayin natin. Hi, Benoy! Thank you so much for the gift! Ayaw mag-accept ng Leia. Naku, parang Layla lang alam nung Leia. Walang ibang ginagamit, ah. Bakit parang Layla lang yung alam nung Leia? Langsay. 5 lang. Agol. Hi, Jim! Thank you so much for the gift! Ay, salamat sa mga nagbibigay ng gift. Yun lang! Sige, wala Walang sasama sa akin, ha?
Please ban a hero.
Ano gusto niyo iban?
Your team is banning.
Ano ba gusto niyo iban? Ano gagamitin ko?
The enemy is picking.
For honor!
Please pick a hero.
Sino gamitin ko, guys? Ayoko na mag-Mia. Ako mag-Leila.
Get lost or get arrested.
Ako mag-Leila. Ate, kamukha mo yung nasa Viva Max. Sino? Baka ako yun.
Still waters run deep.
The enemy is
Hi,
picking.
Mikong! Thank you so much sa first gift mo. Maraming salamat, guys.
10 years of imprisonment.
Kaya ba umabot ng 20k yung heart?
Starlight of Pisces
Your
shines on
team
my
is
soul.
picking.
Thank you, TWP, sa heart. Maraming salamat po.
Let's play together.
I am not the only one bound by
The enemy
these
is
chains.
I am the moonlight that breaks
Your
through the
team
darkness.
is picking.
I do what I want to do.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! Launch attack! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! Well played! Launch attack!
Game, guys. Galingan mo, Mua. Thank you. Yan ang gusto kong mga viewers.
Initiate retreat!
May pang e-etchos. May ilag.
You do this? Yeah, momentarily.
Sige, tumesting ka.
No case
Nesting
too
kami
small for Officer Layla.
Request backup!
Bakit mo naman kinuha?
Let's put the energy
Request
gun.
backup!
Play safe.
I
Avoid
joined
battle.
Saber for a reason.
Play safe.
Oh, paya.
Avoid battle.
Konti, bawi bukas. Buti na lang may flash ako.
Request backup.
Hi, JM. Sige, check ko mamaya. I'll follow back.
Let's loosen up a bit.
Launch attack. Launch attack.
They picked the wrong fight.
Beware of ambush. Launch attack. Request backup. Gather at the turtle. Gather at the turtle.
Layo ko, my friend. Kayo na muna. Ah! Ay! Nakatago pala doon.
I need a medic.
Understood. Gather at the turtle. Initiate retreat. Gather at the turtle.
Ayan,
An
nakataon na
ally
namatay
has
sa
slain the turtle.
Play safe. Avoid battle and farm first.
Nahanap kita kanina, Boss Pet. Nawawala ka. Yan ha, palipat-lipat yung live ha.
An enemy
Nice.
has been slain.
Nice! Ang galing mo naman, Kush!
Understood.
Gusto kitang kalaro araw-araw.
Thank you.
Layla taking the lead.
Parang ikaw ang susi sa pagka-mythical honor ko.
Request backup.
Bakit nyo ako ginagani yan?
Request launch attack. Okay.
Ay, napakahirap.
Launch attack. Request backup.
Want the Evercube? You'll have to get through me.
Initiate retreat.
Play safe. Avoid.
Beware of ambush. Understood.
Idol, may asawa ka na ba? Wala pa.
Launch attack.
I joined Saber for a reason.
Ult is not ready. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na mag-advance.
They
Launch attack.
Yan!
Missing. Okay. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
La!
Ult is not
Kuha
ready.
niya.
Launch attack. Good game.
Linnea, ano bang ginagawa mo dyan?
Retreat. This is the right enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Yan na naman sila.
An ally has slain the turtle. Request backup.
Let's loosen up a bit.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
My ammo has piercing eyes.
Ult is not ready. Your team destroyed a turtle.
Yan, ganyan. Dalaw-dalawan nyo lang ako ng
Understood.
very hard.
Fugitive?
Hard
Yeah,
dalaw.
momentarily.
Request backup. Launch attack.
They picked the wrong
Umayan dyan, nandyan na naman yung Tigrel.
Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Okay. Request backup. Attack.
My ammo has piercing eyes.
Gambare.
Launch attack.
Want the Evercube?
Malapit na
You'll
kami
have to
sumuko
get through me.
dito.
Beware of ambush.
Sana naman manalo na guys, kasi pangapat na talo na to. Hoy, hindi naman ako kasali doon na.
Initiate Initiate retreat.
Bakit ako nadamay?
I joined Saber for a reason.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Wait! Get back here!
Let's do it.
Launch attack. Request backup.
No case too small for Officer Layla.
Request backup. Team destroyed a turret. Okay.
Wait! Get back here!
Request backup. Okay.
Eh,
Let's
Launch
launch
attack.
gun to the test.
alis ka.
An ally has slain the turtle. Initiate
Ang
retreat.
nakikita mo naman, kahit nakatago.
Launch attack. Double kill. Launch attack.
Understood.
Watch out. My ammo has
Uy,
pierced.
doon ka na, Leia! Tulungan mo na sila!
Okay. Request backup. Launch attack.
Understood.
Down. Launch attack. Killing spree.
Yan! Nakatulong ako! Yan dapat.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Let's loosen up a bit.
Killing spree.
Yan! O, sige pa, isama pa.
Double kill.
Sa akin dapat yun.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Request backup. Ally has been slain.
Ult is not ready.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Kaya namin yan.
Fugitive?
Play safe.
Yeah,
Avoid
momentarily.
battle and far
Be
out.
safe daw. Okay!
Launch attack.
Kailangan ko lang pala mawala yung mga kaninang kalaro para manalo.
Push. Ally has been team destroyed the turret.
Wait! Get
Ayun,
back
lakas na
here!
naman ang ulan. Guys, ingat kayo yung may mauulan na area dyan.
I joined
kayo sa
Saber for
bahay.
a reason.
Hindi ka
Double
makakatakas.
kill. Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Ayaw na, Bessie!
Launch attack.
Ano nga bulin? Hindi naman ako ngayon maghabol. Okay na yan. Patawarin mo na. Hoy, yung Mia!
Under attack.
They have the right
Gather
to
up the
remain
Lord.
silent.
Gather
They
up the
picked the
Lord!
wrong fight.
Gather up the Lord!
Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
No case too small for Officer Layla.
Initiate retreat.
Push pa kami dito, guys.
Initiate retreat.
Saber for a reason.
Request destroy the turret.
Understood.
Manahimik ka, ha?
Launch attack.
Let's put the energy gun to the test.
Retreat from the Lord! Gather up the Lord!
Launch attack.
Ikaw,
Target in
ay
sight.
na ano.
Layla is
Gather up the Lord! Gather up the Lord!
Okay. They picked the wrong fight.
Wait.
Gather up the Lord!
Launch attack.
What?
We're ahead in gold. Push first. Okay. Request backup. They have the right to remain silent. Push first. Push first.
Alay! Hi, Map! Maraming salamat sa gift.
Wait!
Thank you, guys.
Request backup. Okay. Request backup.
Kaya naman manalo na to, no? Pag ito talaga yun. Araw talaga ng pagkatalo ngayon.
Launch attack.
Wait! Get back here!
Double kill. Launch attack. Fugitives? Yeah, momentarily. Your team initiate retreat.
Panalo na to.
Okay. Okay. Watch out. My ammo has piercing eyes. Push first.
Wait! Get back here!
Launch attack. Want the Evercue? You'll have to get through me.
Bakit ako?
Requesting backup.
Ba't ako nang ako na ano?
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Uy, baka maubos pa tayo yan. Inay!
Media.
Ubus pa nga kami, inay! Wala na, pupush na yan hanggang dulo.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Clear up lanes. Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed. This is the price you pay. Your turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack.
Gather up the Lord!
Okay. Request backup.
Understood.
Let's put the energy gun to the test. Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Okay.
Gather up the Lord!
They have the right to remain silent. An ally has Our turret is under attack.
Understood.
Baka dumating na naman yung nangiiwa sa akin na triangle, ah.
Wait!
Request
Get back
backup.
here!
Target in sight. Laylar taking the backup. Oh,
Get
it's not
back
ready.
here!
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Wait, yung nangiiwang pa triangle, ah.
Request backup. Yeah, momentarily. Your team
Ayan o.
is not ready.
Iniiwa ko niyan, eh.
Target in sight.
Yan o, iniwa ko niyan.
Victory!
Yun. Sino na yung nag-request ng skin sa akin kanina? Ba't nawala? Ayaw nyo na ba? G pa ba? Babalik ML oo, ngayon lang yan. Balik-balikan ML. Dahil balik ML talaga ako ngayon, guys. Hindi ko alam bakit ML na ML ako, mga mga isang buwan na. Wait lang. Nawala na yung iba.
But that's
Di ba? Nag-mythic naman ako dati. Dati nga lang. Tapos hindi ko na naulit. Di may binabasa lang. Sorry na! Birthday ko ngayon. Happy birthday, Boss Pet! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggat kailan mo gusto. Nang ulan! Guys, ingat kayo. Hi, Kuya Mon. Maraming salamat. Ikaw ba yun, Mabsi, kanina? So sleepy. Oh, G pa tayo mamaya, Mabsi, ah. End live lang ako.